Hi everybody. So this is take 2 of this video. I just made one of these and I messed up like 8 times in a row, so I am going to try to keep it simple and sweet. Last week I posted some trigger weights for different guns. They were taken on a Lyman digital trigger scale, just like the one you see here. They were on a borrowed scale. I'd never done it before, and a lot of those weights were showing as being quite low. Low enough that there was some concern. Some people actually believed that maybe the numbers were made up, or the scale was broken, or any number of things. Well, that was a scale I was borrowing, so I went out and bought one. I liked having it around anyways, so I have this one here. And one of the ones that a lot of people called into question was this M&P. This is an M&P 2.0 9C, and it's a 3.6 inch. And I believe the trigger weight average on this was about 2.5 pounds, somewhere around there. So we're going to go ahead and try again. We've got this thing on. I'm going to hit clear. So that clears out any type of average or anything that's sitting out there in the meantime. We'll rack the slide. Oh, and I'll show you it's clear too. Nothing in there. So then we go ahead and we hit ready. 2 pounds, 12.8 ounces. £2, 6.1 ounces. I messed that one up because I didn't hit the trigger shoe, but 4 pounds, 1.9 ounces. £2, 4 ounces. £2, 0.2 ounces. So if we hit average, and keep in mind I messed up one of those and didn't hit the trigger shoe right away, we're at 2 pounds, 11.4 ounces average. Now on the ones that I did prior to this, I had a couple that were under 2 pounds, right around the 1 pound, 15 ounces mark. So that's this gun. Maybe I should go grab one of the other ones and see how those numbers match up. But yeah, 2 pounds, 11.4 ounces for the M&P. I'm going to pause this and I'll go grab another one and continue. All right, so we are back now with my Glock 19. This is a Gen 4. It has a Ghost Edge connector, a Vickers Tactical trigger shoe, and then polished internals and an Apex firing pin block. It's running the stock spring weight for the striker, and it's running an Apex trigger spring. So I think this one was in the 2 pound range again, maybe just under 3. And someone specifically said that they couldn't believe that Glocks could possibly have under a 3 pound trigger pull. I have not pulled this one off screen with this new one, so I'm going to do that here. First, I'm going to clear my averages from the M&P. And then just to kind of show you here, in order to get this little trigger shoe out of the way, or little dingus, I actually have to put it on the post here, if you can see that, rather than up here, because that doesn't get it out of the way and let it pull. And then to show you here, nothing in there, empty. Empty. All right, so let's go ahead, we'll do this first pull here. 1 pound, 5.3 ounces. £2, 1.7 ounces. £1, 13.3 ounces. £1, 15.5 ounces. So hit the average, 1 pound, 12.8 ounces. And again, this is a brand new Lyman digital trigger scale. I just ordered this, just got it in. I don't know if you want to see the back of it, if you don't believe it's legit or whatnot. Let's see if I can get that to focus for you there. I don't know if I can. I don't know what to tell you guys. You just saw me pull it there. You saw the weights that came out. And, you know, the upgrades to this were maybe 50, 60 bucks, including the new trigger shoe, which there was nothing special with that. It's just a polymer trigger shoe. The other Glock that caused some concern was actually a Glock 22 that had been converted to 9mm, and that is actually out to service right now. I'm sending the slide out to get that refinished, so I don't have that available to do pulls on camera for you with that. But I mean, this one has a lot less done to it in 1.12 or 1 pound 12.8 ounces. That one, the other one had a Zev trigger, Zev Fulcrum trigger with a custom trigger bar and Zev striker, and everything was customized on that. So, you know, 1 pound 8 ounces doesn't seem that unbelievable with this one, which is much closer to stock being 1 pound 12.8. Anyway, figured I'd make this, show everybody how I was doing it, and if I am doing this wrong, if I've made a mistake on how I did this, let me know, and I'll go back and I'll redo all of my measurements, because I want to be accurate with these. I did this for my own knowledge and for my own sake, so I want to know, and I was just sharing this with everybody, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Bye.